When the deal is done over in here, now we know on today's side from City Church women, they also have
Please, no children allowed. If you are 16 and over, you are more than welcome. You can bring your own drinks pretty much. But it's going to be more of an after party, so you guys are highly welcome. And as for right now, the dance floor is open for you guys. Enjoy, and y'all have a good night as I said. Thank you. And the after party starts at 10 o'clock, and it's going to finish at 4, so 10 to 4 is a good 5 hours of us to enjoy ourselves. And we would like to welcome the brewers and the broom to come with us too.
And lastly, I cannot, you don't know how much I'm grateful to this day. And my last gratitude, my last appreciation is to the Sudanese women and women for providing us with water, because I know some of them, they've been all night long, they didn't sleep, cooking, and they're bringing us water. And what is your work is quite appreciated. Like, you know, where we are, we don't have going, and I just know, you're not going to be better for it.
My angel, the one and only, the only one that I miss. When they bring me joy and blessings, you know that I love you, and I can't wait to say I do. But before we walk down the line, I just wanna let you know that you're the finest. Now you be the finest being I've seen, you're the brightest. The way you the shine, you the bling like me, you're the highest. When it comes to rating, you're the lead. My princess, my only one lover. Girl, I just wanna let you know that no one be like you. See, I don't go different places, I've seen many faces. No one be like you. See, they cannot replace you, cause you are a blessing. No one be like you. You're driving me crazy, cause you are my baby. No one be like you. No one like you. One like you. No one like you. One like you. No one. About a year ago, before I met you, yeah, there was no possibility for me to be rescued. But thank God I found you. Yeah, Since I go different places, I've seen many faces that cannot replace you. With you, I gain many blessings. Girl, you want my life, you're the finest. Can I be the finest being I've seen? You're the brightest. The way you the shine, you the bling like me. You're the highest. When it comes to rating, you're the lead. My princess, my only one lover. Girl, I guess it's time to let you know that no one be like you. See, I don't go different places, I've seen many faces. No one be like you. They cannot replace you, cause you are a blessing. No one be like you. You're driving me crazy, cause you are my baby. No one be like you. No one. No one like you. One like you. No one. One like you. One like you. That's what we say. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No one like you. Oh yeah. One like you. Oh yeah. No one like you. Oh yeah. No one. No one. Yeah, you're the finest. Can you be the finest I've ever seen? The way you the shine, you the bling like green. Hey, when it comes to rating, you're the lead. My princess, my only one lover. Girl, I guess it's time to let you know that